welcome back to Let's Naacho with Apurva. I am so overwhelmed by the amount of love you poured on our Pilu video. So guess what? Here's a tutorial. Before you start the learning and the tutorial thingy, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you've not seen the Pilu video, then it's either in the cards or in the description. Go check that out and then come back again. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's get started with the choreography part of it. We're gonna, as usual, learn this choreography in 4 different chunks. Let's start with the first chunk, that is the first part of the choreography. What I'm gonna do with my legs is bring my leg in. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and with my hand, my right hand is above. I'm gonna do Pilu. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So out, up, out, up, out, clap, out, clap. So it goes Pilu, tere, clap. Now I'm gonna keep my leg up and do nano se. So I am doing this near my eyes, okay? It's nano se and not this. It's just here. Now I'm going to place this leg down and turn. So slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, eyes and turn. Okay, now after turning I'm going to do pick and point. So pick and point. My footwork is right, left, right. So I do pick and point and I do a half turn with my feet. So I go cross, turn on the place and my hands go pick and point. Together 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Eyes, turn, 1, 2, 3. Now, this step, the same step, opposite side. So we ended here. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, hotoki. So first we showed our eyes. Now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, hotoki. I'm showing my hot with my left hand and my right hand is here. Okay? Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eyes. Turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hotoki. Now I'm going to do right left. So with my legs, I'm doing right left. With my hands, I'm doing left right. Okay? Let's do this. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to do right hand up, left hand up, open. Okay? Right, left, open, but I am turning while doing this. So I do 1, 2, extend in. I take my right leg out, bend in that direction and then come back in. So after right left, I do right, left, extend, in. After this, I go jump on my right, jump on my left. When I jump towards my right hand is niche, left hand is upar. When I jump towards left, same, left hand is niche, right hand is upar. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Let's do from the second 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Right, left. Turn, extend. Jump, jump. So after this, all we have to do is take 3 turns. The first turn is slow, the next 2 turns are faster. So it's Mosam Okay, it will make sense when you watch the whole video together. So after jump, you go turn, fast, fast. And that's the first part of the choreography. Let's watch the video. Okay, now for the second part, after the turns, what we're gonna do is, on my right side, I'm gonna take something, okay? So with my right hand and my right leg extended, I'm just gonna take them together, and then I'm gonna turn from my left hand and left side, okay? So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the same action that we did while turning, same action I'm gonna do on the place. I'm gonna do 1, 2, and then turn from my right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Together. Right, in, left, turn, 3, 4. Right, left, right, turn, 3, 4. How I'm turning is, I'm placing, dragging. Placing, dragging, placing, dragging. Okay? Now for the third step, we do jump, extend. I did a small hop on the place my right hand piche and bend. Now while jumping, I'm doing this. So I jump and extend in. Okay? After that, what I do is bend towards my left and cross my right piche. Okay? I'm doing this towards my left. So I go bend, extend. Easy? Now, for the hands, I'm doing right hand, niche, upar. Got it? Together. Kela focus. Together, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, what I'm going to do is, idhar se, again I'm going to do right, left, right, left, right, left. So, 6 counts. Up, up, down, down, up, up. But we're going to turn while doing that. So the first up, up is in the front, down, down is at the back, and then up, up is in the front. Together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, after this, after you end here, what you're going to do is, idhar se call for someone. Okay, with my left hand I'm calling for someone. 1, and then turning towards my right, doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. My leg is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's this. Now the same thing, I'm going to do this side. I'm going to do ajao, and then I'm going to scoop and place. But when you scoop and place, you turn on your left side. So you take whatever, you say ajao, not whatever. You say ajao, it's like a pickup to continue a turn on the left. Okay? So ajao, scoop and place. Same turn ka footwork, the drag wala. Okay? So you do cup, then you scoop and you place. Now what I'm going to do is place together 4 times and travel ahead. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and travel ahead. This is point, 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 point. But niche se upar. Okay? So where did we finish? We did this. So we did aja, scoop, up, down, point, 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 point. After this, I'm going to do a be extended at the end of the circle and left hand will be on the place. So we do circle, with that circle we do jump, okay? Right left, right left. जो ये किया था, right left, same thing but not diagonal, sideways. So we do right left, then I do this. I draw a circle with just one wrist. But my footwork for that is right, left, right. Not this profoundly, I'm exaggerating to show you guys. Subtle. Okay? So I do jump, then I do 1, 2, 3, and then again just 1, 2, which is 1, 2. It's like a break effect, okay? So I did a 1, 2. And you turn at the end of this, and that's your part 2. Which we did at the end of part 2. After the turn, either you can sit down. When I sit down, I sit on my left knee and my right knee is extended, or you can just stand and do the same hand work. Not a problem. Okay? Let's learn that hand work. Right, left, right, left. What am I doing? Extend, extend, in. After this, place, place, jao, jao. Okay? So, right, left, right, left, right, left, turn, turn. On my second turn, I'm extending my hands and I'm bending towards my left. If you're sitting down, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now after this, you do right, left, right. Okay? So right, left, right, twist, twist. I don't know what else to call that. Okay? It's basically this. After the second one, you open. So we did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist. After this, you're going to do something. Imagine there's water in your hand. Take the water, spill it. Okay? So water, spill, in, out. So with my fists, I took them in, then I did out. After that, I'm going to turn, turn, and extend towards my right side and point my left leg out. How? So we did water, water, drop it, in, out, turn. I'm starting to step on my right leg. So I do turn, turn, turn my hands, not turn myself. So I do this. Now my weight is on my right leg, my left leg is extended. After this, turn again. And that was the third part. Let's watch it. Okay, so after this, 3, 4. That's what we're doing. This is the fourth and the last part, which is yay! If you have stayed with me till here, congrats. Let's finish this choreography. So we go left, right. What are we doing? We're clapping, clapping, and extending, extending. Just side clap कर रहे हैं, उसका opposite leg extend करना है. Sorry. Okay, so we go left, right leg out, right, left leg out. Then we're doing in, out, but the legs are right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, it's quite fast. So we do left, right, in, out. After that, we're going to clap towards our left 4 times and turn from our left while we do that. Okay, so we do 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we do 1, 2. 1, 2. So we point down and then up. So we do 1, 2. And I'm going to cross my right leg behind and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, जो leg पीछे था, that leg is free. My weight is on my left leg. My right leg is free. I'm going to cross that ahead and turn. And while we turn, we're going to do this. What did I do? I took my right hand, pushed it down. Because I'm pushing my right hand down, like a pulley, my left hand will come up. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4. So when my left hand goes down, automatically my right hand comes up. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing a head also with it because why not? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, turn, complete. After this, we're going to do Sun Le Zara. So we're inviting somebody to listen to us. How? With our right leg, crossing it again. So we did Sun Le Zara, open hands, and then we're going to turn from our left side again. After this, we're going to take about 2 to 3 turns, depends on your pace. Okay, so Sun Le Zara. I am horrible at singing, please excuse me. So for that we're going to turn from our left side with our hands extended, left hand upar. So we did that. After that, we're going to do this. What did I do? Take my hands from inside and extend them. And we're going to slowly sit as we do that and look up, almost as if you're looking at God. Or we're trying to find God. Something of that sort. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you make this video yourself, don't forget to upload it and tag us on all our social media. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Clubhouse, we're everywhere. So don't forget to check our social medias, and if you upload our videos and our choreographies, tag us, and of course subscribe, like, comment, share, all that jazz. Thank you so much for watching once again, guys. Take care. See you. Bye.